Did you know that the sun is secretly making your pool water disappear faster than you think? Stick around and I'll show you how the sun can cause your pool water to evaporate up to 10 times faster and how to stop it from happening. Your pool water is constantly losing water, and it's not just from people swimming, splashing, or jumping in. The sun's heat plays a huge role in how much water evaporates from your pool, and it can actually accelerate evaporation much faster than you might realize. On a hot, sunny day, the sun's rays heat up the surface of your pool water, causing the molecules at the top to vibrate faster. When they vibrate with enough energy, they break free and escape into air as water vapor. This process is called evaporation. Here's the science. Water evaporation depends on heat, humidity, and wind. The sun's rays are the main driver, heating up the water and causing more molecules to leave the surface. And on hot days, especially with low humidity, that evaporation rate can be up to 10 times faster than in cooler conditions. Here's the thing, on a hot day, a pool can lose up to 1 inch of water per day due to evaporation. But in the right conditions like intense sunlight or a high wind factor, it can evaporate 10 times faster. That means in just a few hours, you could lose multiple inches of water. That's a lot of water to lose if you're not paying attention. And as you might expect, more frequent water loss means more frequent refills, driving up your water bill. Now, why does this matter? If your pool is losing water too fast, it doesn't just cost you in water bills, it can also mess with your pool's chemical balance. When you lose water, you're not only losing H2O, but you're also losing important chemicals like chlorine, which can lead to water that's not properly sanitized or safe to swim in. More evaporation means you'll need to rebalance your chemicals more often to make sure your pool stays safe and clean for swimming. But don't worry, there are ways to slow down evaporation and save yourself some water and money. Use a pool cover. Pool covers are your best defense. They block the sun and significantly reduce the amount of evaporation that takes place during the day. Just make sure you use a solar cover, which traps heat and helps maintain the pool temperature without losing all that water. Add windbreaks. Wind can also speed up evaporation. Adding windbreaks like fences or plants around your pool will protect the water from being blown away. Lower the pool's water temperature. If your pool's water temperature is high, evaporation will be faster. Consider using a solar heater to regulate the water temperature without overheating it. Use a pool surface conditioner. Some pool owners use surface conditioners that create a thin film on water's surface. This film can help reduce evaporation without affecting your pool chemistry. Here's an extra tip for you. Proper pool landscaping can help reduce evaporation too. Adding more plants around your pool provides natural shade, cooling the area and creating a barrier against wind. Not only does this keep your pool water cooler, but it also helps keep your water from evaporating as quickly. Try adding some native plants or trees that thrive in the heat and shade your pool, helping both the water and the environment. So next time you notice your pool water level dropping a little faster than expected, just remember, the sun is working overtime. But with the right precautions, you can keep your pool water at a healthy level without all that evaporation. Have you noticed your pool losing water faster than usual? Or maybe you tried one of these tips? Let me know in the comments. Even if you have any questions, leave a comment below and we might answer it in our next video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. Plus, check out our other videos where we dive deeper into pool care. Thanks for watching.